Welcome to this lesson on Maclaurin series. Today, we will explore two of the most fundamental series in calculus, the geometric series 1 over 1 minus x and the natural logarithm of 1 plus x. We will see how they are deeply connected. First, let's define what we are working with. A Maclaurin series is a specific type of infinite series expansion. It is essentially a Taylor series that is centered at x equals 0. This allows us to approximate complex functions using simple polynomials. We start with the geometric series, which is one of the building blocks of power series. The function 1 over 1 minus x can be expanded into the sum 1 plus x squared plus x cubed, and so on. In sigma notation, this is simply the sum of x to the power of n. However, this series does not work for all numbers. It has a specific condition for convergence. The absolute value of x must be strictly less than 1. This means x must lie between -1 and +1. If x is outside this range, the sum explodes to infinity. Now, how do we get from the geometric series to the natural logarithm? We can use calculus. Specifically, we know that integrating the function 1 over 1 plus x gives us the natural log of 1 plus x. We will use this relationship to find our new series. Our first step is to tweak the geometric series. Instead of positive x, we substitute negative x into our original formula. This transforms 1 over 1 minus x into 1 over 1 plus x. Consequently, the signs in our series begin to alternate. 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cubed. Next, we integrate both sides of this new equation with respect to x on the left. We get the natural log of 1 plus x on the right. We integrate term by term using the power rule. 1 becomes x becomes x squared over 2, and so on. The constant of integration is 0. And here is our result. The Maclaurin series for the natural log of 1 plus x is x minus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 3 minus x to the 4th over 4. Notice the pattern. Alternating signs and the denominator matches the exponent. Let's visualize this. The white line represents the actual natural log function. The colored lines are our polynomial approximations. As we add more terms, the red line hugs the white curve closer and closer near 0, demonstrating how the series converges to the function. The interval of convergence for this log series is slightly different from the geometric series. It is valid for x strictly greater than -1 and less than or equal to 1. Interestingly, at x equals 1, it converges to the natural log of 2. Here is a side-by-side comparison. The geometric series has all positive terms and strictly converges between -1 and 1. The log series has alternating terms and includes +1 in its domain. Both are essential tools in mathematical analysis. To wrap up, we successfully derived the logarithmic series by simply integrating the modified geometric series. This showcases the elegance of calculus, connecting different functions through the power of infinite sums. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.